view the school from on top of the tree. In order for Dora to climb the tree, she wants to know how high off the ground she is if she climbs it, because she is afraid of heights. From where Dora dropped off her bag, she finds that the angle of elevation to the top of the tree is 50 degrees. Diego then moves back 25 feet and 2 inches. From Diego's bag, the angle of elevation to the top of the tree is 27 degrees. How will Dora find the height of the tree with this given information? We took both angles that are given and used SOHCAHTOA. Therefore, we used tangent. Our two equations turned out to be tangent 50 degrees equals h over x as our first equation, and tangent 27 degrees equals h over x plus 25.2 as our second equation. We then canceled x to both sides for our first equation and got x times tangent 50 degrees equals height. And for our second equation, we canceled x plus 25.2 to both sides and got x plus 25.2 times tangent 27 degrees equals height. We set both equations equal to each other. We then distributed tangent 27 degrees into x plus 25.2 and got x times tangent 50 degrees equals x times tangent 27 degrees plus 25.2 tangent 27 degrees, and subtracted x times 27 degrees to both sides. We then factored out our right side and divided what was in the parentheses to both sides and got 25.2 times tangent 27 degrees over tangent 50 degrees minus tangent 27 degrees. Our final calculation became x equals 21.2 feet. We then plugged in x into x times tangent 50 degrees equals height and got 10.8 feet as the tree's height. Adventuring around the school campus, he settled at a bench and walked 30 feet in the direction north 90 degrees east. He arrives at a tree and examines the critters for a second. He then walks 434 feet towards north. Once Diego arrives at the garden, he knows that he is south 70 degrees west from his bench. He then wants to know how far away he is from his starting point.
Triangle sum theorem states that all the angle measurements of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. I used that to find angle A, which is 20 degrees. I then used the Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse of the triangle, which is 435.1 feet.